In this guide, I'll show you how to use the fill command in Minecraft. So the first thing you want to do is go to settings in your world, and then on the left side, you want to be on world and game. Then on the right side, you want to scroll down until you get to world options, and you want to turn on show coordinates. Then you want to scroll down further until you get to cheats, and you want to toggle on activate cheats. Now, once you've done that, if you go back to your game, you'll see in the top left corner your position. So we're going to use this position to fill up a space with the material we select. So in this example, I'm going to be using this position. So you want to stand on the exact square where you want to start the base of your fill. So for me, it's going to be 5, 79, and minus 49. Now you do want to write down these positions because you have to remember them. Then what you want to do is find the other section where you want it to finish. So in this example, I'm going to be using this position. So I'm going to write down these figures. And if you want to fill so it's higher up, this is the point where you can go up higher and determine how high you want the fill to be. So if you just wanted it to be ground level, you just write down this figure. But if you want the building to be up higher in fill, you want to write down this number. So once you've done that, you want to kind of back out as to where this is going to fill up. And then you want to open up chat and commands. From here in the chat box, you want to type in /fill, and then you want to input those first coordinates. And once you've done that, put in the second coordinates. Then you want to press space, and you'll see on the left side a bunch of different materials. And all you want to do is begin typing in the material you want to use. And in my case, I'm going to be using the diamond block material. So if you've input this all incorrectly and you press enter, you should automatically see all of these blocks filled with the material that you selected. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.